Disney. Last time we went was 4th of July. This time we're gonna go for a week. It's gonna be fun. It is only 3:43 in the morning, so I'm pretty exhausted, so I'm gonna need an energy drink to wake up. Here's our next adventure, let's go! We just parked and just parked our Tesla. Just kidding, not our Tesla, but we're waiting for the shuttle to pick us up and we're about to head to the airport and take our trip to Florida. Let's go. We finally landed. A 2-hour flight really took 4 hours. Ready to get to our resort. Party it up.
Big Thundermilk Family. Or eat Pigeon Cabernet.
We get to our resort, Disney All-Star Movies. Popular movies that Disney made. I'm ready to eat and I'm ready to get something to drink because I haven't eaten in a long time.
Okay, so we are at All-Star Movies Resort and we're gonna do a quick room tour. We're staying here for just one night because the other resort, they didn't have any availability for tonight, so we thought it'd be fun to get a tour of the newly refurbished rooms. So we'll do that. So you walk in and you have your mini fridge and then your coffee maker, your ice bucket, some shelves, and then you get little coffees, teas, some creamer, some stuff, which I don't know if we'll even use that stuff. And then you have, the room comes with a really handsome husband. Just kidding, it doesn't. But you have this really comfortable bed and like 50 pillows. Then you have all of this dresser space, all these drawers that are soft close. So that's really awesome. Really nice TV, if you like that when you're sleeping. Both sides have the USB chargers and the regular port chargers, and then you can turn the lights on or off as you please. Here's another view from this side of the room. Also, this is the Murphy beds. Dan, you want to help me pull this down? So if you take these chairs away, we pull it down. You can pull this out, so if you had more people staying with you.
He's like, you know, that manpower.
And look how cute!
Huey, Dewey, Louie.
Wow, that was a lot of squeaking. I wasn't expecting that. But
DuckTales.
so that's super fun, super cute. We're not going to use that though. It's really squeaky. Okay, well, continuing. You come over here, you got your little hooks you can hang all your stuff on. And then you have dresser, closet space, ironing board, iron, hair dryer, extra toilet paper. You have all of this storage underneath here. We got some facial soap, one of the little mirrors to do your makeup, obviously. And then just, you know, your regular bathroom. But you do have the products. I think this resort has definitely come to this. They don't really have the handheld ones, whatever you call this. And then of course you have your storage under the bed. So that's what we have. We don't really have a view of anything. We are on the first floor, room 8720. So we're right out here, really close to the main lobby. So that's awesome. But yeah, there's your room tour.